Suck it harder, Trump. Faster, you bitch. Take it all.
You're not doing this on my channel, guys. I'm not going to have it.
It's too late, Randy. It's already infected your channel.
All right, folks, this is a test. Only got 8 satellites here.
Fly.
There's cue ball doing her thing. Got 8 satellites. This is June the, about the 16th, I think, 2024. And I want to test this thing. This is not a review, by the way, it's a test. I saw a guy on YouTube flying this very same copter. This is a sjrcf22s. And he could go very slow forwardly. Whenever I throttle forward, this thing goes from like 0 to 100%. I don't want to get too high up or far away with only 8 satellites. There's Lily doing her thing. Anyways, when I fly this thing, it goes from 100%, and I'll throttle forward. It goes from 0, like where it is right now, to 100%. I can't even fly forward slowly. Can't do it. Can't fly backwards slowly. Like I say, it goes from 0 to 100% when I hit the throttle. So I'll just film cue ball doing her thing here till I figure out what the hell's going on with the satellites. Only got 8 satellites, as you can probably see there. A lot of white noise, 15%. I hope this is getting audio. But 2 tests. One, try to fly forward at a very low rate. Like I said, I can't do it. It goes from 0% to 100%. There's no 50 or 25 or 75%. It just, you know, it's from where it is right now, 0. And I'll just touch the forward throttle. It goes 100% forward. I don't know what the hell's up with that. And another thing is, I never calibrated this. I didn't calibrate anything. For an entry-level drone, this is amazing, man. 2023 technology. It's 2024 right now, but I just took this drone out of the box, put a freshly charged battery in it, and you can see it flying right now on 9 satellites. Hopefully you're able to see that. Where'd she go? Anyways, that's the second test I want to do. One was the throttle thing, which I can see already is not working. There she is. So it goes from 0 throttle to 100%. And there you can see that. Same with reverse. 0 to 100% throttle. I don't know what the hell's up with that. The guy on YouTube that I watched was flying it, and with the obstacle avoidance turned on, he could fly low to the ground like I am right now without obstacle avoidance going off. There she is. And there I am, with my back to the sun. We're having a heat wave right now. Well, I just saw a red light flicker on that. I've never seen that before. Never saw that before. satellites, that's it. 9 satellites. And there's Q-ball with me in this 90+ degree sunshine. 90+ degrees. Let's have a look over at the neighbor's house here. Bugs eating me alive. I hope this thing's recording. Yeah, it looks like 5 minutes or so. Yeah, get the gimbal to go in the right direction. Still only, I got 10 satellites now. So I'm gonna bring it back here and land it. I'm trying to keep this sun out of the phone, so I'm standing with the sun at my back. Trying to keep the phone, because it got terribly hot out here yesterday. So it did. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's all the zoom. It ain't worth a shit the zoom made. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, I lost count there. There's all the way it zoomed out. 12 satellites now. I'm gonna land this and start off again. Because I started with only 6, I think, or something like that. So let me land it. And set a new home point. In case it's down to 10 satellites now. Just in case it wants to fly away. 11 satellites and a new home point set. I think we're still filming. Gimbal's slow as shit. Yeah, I can't see us. There we are. Billy and me both. We're under a heat warning, and it is hot, man. Like I say, it's June something, 16th maybe, something like that. And there we are.
Height limited.
118 feet, height limited. Have a look around. There's the main road, looks like. But anyways, this is just a test. Let me get that thing back down here. Here comes a car. Says it's coming down. I can't see it. The sun's too bright. Yeah, I hear it now. I see it. Where'd Lily go? Cue ball. It's come down slow. "24 feet. Is that feet? This drone, yeah, it's feet. This drone will fly 3.5 kilometers away from me. Now, they have updated it in 2024. They got a new version of this very same drone out that'll fly 6 kilometers. That's about 3 miles. This drone I have here will fly, what is it, about 2 miles? which as the crow flies is a long ways. Boy, this phone's hot as hell, man. I'm gonna bring that thing down. Battery's already down 64%. I want to store it about there. So I'll fly it up and down a few times. Optical avoidance going off. Fly it up and down a few times. That usually takes the sap out of the battery. What do you think, Lily? There we are, 23 feet high. Lily's doing her rolling thing. She always does. Oh yeah, man. Oh God, it's hot out here today. It is hot. 58% battery, that's about good enough for the test I wanted to do. I can't power forward. I mean, it goes from 0 when I throttle forward to 100%. There's no in between. It's not picking up the ground there. I'm 17 feet, it says. Let's bring it down a little bit. Gotta keep this phone out of the sun. $15 satellites. 57% battery. Right there, it'll probably pick the ground up. Yeah. I gotta get really out of this hot heat, man. It's hot as the hubs of hell out here today. Wow, it's hot. Hopefully I got this recording. 55%. The remote's down to 53%. If it loses signal, the damn thing will return to home. And I don't know what it's set at. I didn't even check that. Basically, I wanted to see if I could thrust forward, throttle forward 25% or so, and it won't do it. It's 100% or nothing, man. 100% or nothing. So I'm going to land it at 52%. Stop the camera.
My God, bitches, what's our country coming to?